guys, so time to change out this purge valve real quick. Basically, you just pull this clip back, which we already did. And then you just pull it out, like so. Take this connector out. And I guess we could take this bolt out to make it a little easier, but let's take this clip out here real quick. It came out all the way. You press it in. All right. Slide out. Let's take out that bolt. Put that right there. All right, take that out. Quick test, if you blow it through and there's air coming out, it's bad. Test it with the new. Here's the new. Nothing. Can't blow through it. Stuck open purge valve. Okay. Put that in there like so. Slide it in. Nice. Put that bolt back in there. Clip that in. There we go. This one doesn't need this clip here. It's a different design. This one just got 2 tabs on the side. It's nice and secure. We'll slide that in there. Slide all the way in. Lock that in. Put this connector on. Perfect. And we'll just tighten that up. Good deal. So that's in. Secure. Evap hose is secure. Connector is secure. This other end of the hose is secure. Should be good now.